See what this thing does. This Meti freaking machine. On.
Cycle it a couple times. It's not puking anywhere yet.
Let me see if it'll start.
Yeah, you can try and crank it up. The first start in like 2 years on field. Cycle a little more.
It's getting there.
Probably got a bunch of air in it and junk in the injectors.
It's been starting in a few years. Let's see. Listen to that, huh?
I wouldn't run too much oil in this thing sucks. Look how much it's smoking, dude. That out feel on it. Like a ball. Smells like turpentine burning.
Ugh. Fog machine. Sounds like it's got a pulley making noise or something.
Oh yeah,
too.
it's got a horrendous
Yeah.
pulley noise.
So we got this running.
Not very happy at the moment.
Well, it runs. Hasn't ran in a couple years. Oh, yeah. Well, that's probably a lot of what I hear. Yeah. That's what a lot of you hearing there.
Actually, a lot of the pulley noise in
Running good. It's air around here. But wait, there's more. Alright. Oh, it runs. Let's see if it'll move under its own power. What do you think?
It's not going to stop, but it'll probably.
Oh yeah, it doesn't have any brakes, I forgot. Yeah, it's definitely got smoke show going on back here. Oh yeah, there. It moves, yeah. Hey, don't easy on the old gal. So we got all the lines boogered back together. Yeah, no leaks.
Change the oil on that for running any longer.